ഞാൻ സാലു ജോൺ and she is Susan Salu John. We settled here almost 3 years ago, and now we are having a retired life. Basically, we had an issue with my wife who had the knee problems. For climbing stairs is always a problem for elders. Hopefully, I may not have it in future, but as a precaution, we decided to go for a lift. As soon as we came in, we thought of having a lift in our house. We had limitations in allocating space for a lift. Then it comes to our mind which one we should go for. Then eventually we came to a conclusion that Nibav is a good option. So it's compact, it is sitting in the corner of our patio, and we are comfortable with the location. As far as mobility, we can come in anytime, go upstairs, either two of us or each one of us, or anybody coming in who wanted to go to the roof, sit there for some time, even guests coming in where we have on the roof area where people can sit and talk and play games and things like that. So that was very convenient, and people felt it's really good to have such a compact lift and sitting in a corner and having such an efficient facilities and safety features. We are happy. So far so good. We are happy with the lift.
ഞങ്ങൾക്ക് ഇത് ഉപയോഗിച്ചിട്ട് വളരെ ഫലപ്രദമായിട്ട് തോന്നി. കൺവീനിയൻ്റ് ആണ്. ഞങ്ങൾ മുകളിലാണ് ഞങ്ങളുടെ ലോണ്ട്രിയൊക്കെ നടക്കുന്നത്. അതുകൊണ്ട് ഇവിടെ നിന്ന് ഓരോ പ്രാവശ്യവും മുകളിൽ കയറുക, തുണി ഇടുക, എടുക്കുക, ഡ്രൈ ചെയ്യുക, അടുക്കുക, ഇതൊക്കെ വലിയ പാടായിരുന്നു നേരത്തെ. മുട്ടിൻ്റെ പ്രശ്നം വന്നപ്പോൾ അത് കൂടുതൽ പ്രശ്നമായിട്ട് തോന്നി. ഇപ്പോൾ ഞങ്ങളത് എൻജോയ് ചെയ്യുന്നു.